Hi, mommies. Welcome to Life in Pinas with my current Filipino kids. Today is the first day of the class of Hinbin and Yubin. I really hope that they will like yung class because it's highly needed now that they're growing up, especially for self-defense. As a parent, whether we like it or not, there are still some kids na medyo aggressive sa classroom, and sometimes their parents cannot control them or even the teachers cannot control them. So sometimes yung mga anak natin na hindi marunong lumaban or mag-defend ng kanilang sarili is medyo kawawa sila. So I think having this kind of class is much needed, especially if you notice that your children is a little bit weak. Maybe it will help them develop their self-confidence and the ability to protect themselves, especially for those aggressive children around them. Most cases, our children are spending their time at school, and in school, we don't expect that everyone will be behaving, everyone would be kind, everyone would respect the boundaries. Parang hindi perfect talaga inside the classroom or anywhere else. And if your child is not really trained or hindi siya masyadong exposed sa mga violence or sa mga ganitong ugali ng mga other children, talagang mahihirapan sila or they will be the target of the bullies. That's why we considered enrolling them into the class kasi may mga kids na na-encounter namin na medyo hindi masyadong maganda yung approach nila sa mga other kids, not only to my kids but also with other kids. So in order to protect my kids, we decided to enroll them. Really, I'm hoping that they can defend themselves, not to attack but to defend themselves in cases or in situations na kailangan nilang lumaban kasi medyo hindi maganda yung ginagawa ng other kids. I'm not really pro sa violence, of course, or yung kapag sinaktan yung anak mo is dapat saktan mo din, ganun. But as time goes on, parang yung mga kids ko palagi yung nagiging victim kasi hindi sila marunong lumaban or hindi sila sanay sa ganung hostile environment. Yung medyo may pasuntok, medyo may pasipa, may patulak, ganyan yung other kids. So I think it's just right na paminsan we need to train our kids na lumaban din. Though other people wouldn't agree, pero kapag yung anak mo kasi yung naaagabyado, parang hindi naman maganda yung ganun. So, maybe 3 o'clock. 3.
So I
You stay here.
parking.
Where?
First time.
No, you've been.
Hambi cannot be, huh?
Yeah, and then adding said, watch Kuya.
Hoy, maduga kayo!
Hambi! Hambi! Right, huh? Cannot be, cannot be.
Cannot do that.
There, huh?
Adina, Adina, thank you na. Me, thank you. Thank you.
You like it? Yes. Okay. Okay. Yes, I will.